Today I'm going to show you how to track a null, shape, text or any layer to movement in your video. Tracker is on the left of the window. If not, go to the window and click Tracker. Pull the tab down and click Track Motion. Make sure the full resolution is on. Now you'll see this little square and a square with the cross on. Change the size and move it around the subject that you want to track. For the best results, pick an area that's contrasted. Go through frame by frame with the Analyze Frame button. You can track and play through the footage, but I find if your video has motion blur, the tracker will flip out. If the point you're tracking gets out of frame or there is too much motion blur, you'll need to go through frame by frame by just moving the points. Shooting with a higher shutter speed will reduce the motion blur. At this moment, I lose my tracking point. I could either guess where it is, pick a new track point, or just end the tracking animation. I'll then create a null and rename. Go to Edit Target and select the null, then hit Apply X and Y coordinates. Create some text and then pick whip it to your null layer. Now your footage should be tracked on. If this video has been helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support this channel. I'm looking to produce a new 60-second how-to video every Tuesday, and the point of this series will be to do the step-by-step guides, but do it really quickly, so you've got somewhere to come if you just need a quick refresher on how to do something. Thanks for watching!